Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. It's Monday the 10th of November and we have a couple of stocks for you to look at. The first one we're looking at right now is Under Armour. The symbol is UA, and you can see quite clearly that that's where it is, Under Armour. We have a long-term downtrend line that started in September, and you can see that has been broken to the upside with a weekly trade triangle that came in today. Now the longer term trend was already up from 60.17 with our monthly trade triangle, but the new one came in at 68.24 today. So 68.45, a little bit above that, but it does look as though this market can move higher, particularly if we close over this high here, which I think we will do today. So again, this is a very positive situation for Under Armour. The trend is up, the trend is your friend, and as I say, this is a signal that we received using a scan that you could do anytime during the day. I'll show you how we do it. So I'm going to click on the trade triangles right here, and I've already put in the equity, but what I want to see with volume greater than 2 million. Okay, so greater than 2 million. You've seen me do this before. We can leave it on the default weekly trade triangles and search since yesterday. I want to search since today because I don't want to see today's signal. So scan. Then you want to click on the triangles right here. That'll sort them for you. We'll scope this down a little bit. So as you can see right now, Under Armour, there's the yellow box around the green triangle indicating that the trend has once again resumed upwards. It's the only one we have in that category today. Interesting. On the downside, we have Michael Kors, which we'll be commenting on. See the red triangle and the yellow box? That's indicating that's today's action. Is the red weekly 69.89. It's currently trading at 69.68, so you can see it's a little bit of profit there. Again, Rayonier is the next one, and there's one more that just came in Time Warner Cable, which I just didn't see when I did the scan earlier. So let's go back to the charts and let's go to our next stock. By the way, I think this particular stock, Michael Kors, can at least get back up to the 73 area from where we are right now and test these highs. So let's go to our next chart. This is Rayonier stock, symbol RYN, and you can see a huge down day today. Big volume, and this is not a good sign. This is definitely a miss. So you scope this out to, let's say, year to date. You'll get an idea that look at how this is just still coming down. Looks like there's another leg going down in this market, and let's just take out this Fibonacci retracement. So here's the big picture. You can see the trend that's clearly up for many months, and then all of a sudden it started going down. How far can it go? Well, maybe to 10, maybe to 15, maybe to 20. But the reality is the trend is clearly down in this market right now, and I would not want to be long this stock. Next stock is Michael Kors. They make clothing for men and women, and you can see that looks like it's a big rounded top coming into this market. You can see clearly that it sort of just rounds out like this, and this break today, if it closes down below this level here, I think it's going to look to go to the next support level, which I think probably is going to be this area here around 65, but potentially we could see this market come back a lot further. And let me show you how far I think it can come back. I would not be surprised to see this market come back to this major support area right here, which also coincides with this Fibonacci retracement, 52.96. So I would not be surprised to see it come back to that level and be a more of a realistic price for the stock. So again, we're currently trading at 69.62. The trend is down, potential $17 profit. And if you're wrong, well, I think you have to take a risk on this one if you want to be short, if you trade the short side of the market. But again, that's the trend, and the trend is your friend. So there we have it. We have upsides for Under Armour, into the basement for Michael Kors and Rayonier. I think they're the two to look at on the short side. Every success using Market Club. Thanks for watching, everyone.